Here I have VIVO Y11S, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the accounts section, add account, then you have to select Google. You will need internet connection to add Google account, of course. You have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing you have to tap accept here, and account will be added. If you want to remove your Google account, just select it here and tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.